Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today got me a JOBY GorillaPod. This is the mini ones that actually has a little magnet at the end of it. The GorillaPods that I have is something like this, where it's like the 3000 that can hold like my big camera. But this one is the smallest that I can find. Basically, what I want to do is to like hook up a little light to it, and I can just stick it with the magnet on the legs on some of these poles that I have around here. And so that's really the reason behind this right here. You're not gonna be able to stick your camera or anything like that on here. Obviously, if you have like the super small GoPro or something like that, or maybe a 360 camera, it might be able to fit on here, because those 360 cameras are pretty small now. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look here. All right, let's take a look here. Wow, it's tiny. It is tiny. I don't think there's anything else in the box here, so that is it. Wow, this thing is so small. Look at this compared to the Can I even wrap this around? Can I wrap this around here? I could probably wrap this around a 3K leg. Wow, that is so tiny. Did not expect to be this tiny, but look at this. All the little legs are so small. It's literally a replica of these big ones right here. But except it's tiny. So yeah, you can see this right here. I mean, this is actually pretty strong. I didn't think it would be this strong, the magnet, but it's really strong, guys. This thing is not. I mean, look at this. That's pretty strong, and that's just 2 leg. So what if I move this and now there's 3 on there? Oh wow, that's actually pretty strong. Okay, so as I was telling you earlier, my use case is really to use one of these lights on here, and then just kind of stick them on anywhere. So here, let's go ahead and stick that on there. That fits really well, by the way. I mean, in a case like this, I would probably wrap it, but look, it's actually holding it pretty well. It's holding this thing. This thing is heavier. This light is heavier than that GorillaPod, like 10 times, and it's holding it. It's the magnet is actually staying on there. I mean, I wouldn't trust anything else in a magnet like this, but I just wanted to show you. And that magnet is pretty strong. Pulling the magnet off of there is, I mean, it takes a little force. That's pretty amazing, by the way, for something that small. Now I'm interested in some of their bigger one that has a magnet. There's one slightly bigger than this. Wow, that is pretty amazing right there. But I think on a pole like this where it's round, I'll probably wrap it. I mean, if you wrap it, it's gonna, well, yeah, it's gonna work. So that's not a problem right there at all. Anyway, pretty strong stuff. That's the GorillaPod Mini.